2022 Subaru WRX. Here's how much it costs. The all-new 2022 Sport Compact WRX will begin rolling out of dealer showrooms this spring. Subaru of America released pricing information for its all-new 2022 Sport Compact WRX that will begin rolling out of dealer showrooms this spring. With a starting price of $29,105, the fifth-generation WRX will stand out in a field with fewer passengers cars and more EVs. Significantly, Subaru's Pocket Rocket gets a new GT trim as the top-tier WRX. 4 trim levels for the 2022 Subaru WRX. Subaru is selling the WRX in 4 trims: Base, Premium, Limited, and the near-luxury GT. The base comes with a 6-speed manual transmission, but upgrading it with new automatic Subaru Performance Transmission, SPT, will tack on another $1,850. Step up to the Premium, and you'll shell out $31,605, or $33,655 with SPT. A WRX Limited will set a buyer back $35,995 for the manual and $38,245 for the SPT automatic. The top-level WRX GTS automatic only and will cost $41,895. Prices don't include a $995 or higher destination charge. The outgoing model starts at $27,495. An all-new engine and more. Every version of the 2022 WRX will share a new turbocharged 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine making 271 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque. While only a 3-horsepower bump from the previous generation, Subaru promises the larger engine will provide improved responsiveness and acceleration. Last year's WRX STI and its 310 ponies will become a part of automotive history. Also new for 2022 is the SPT gearbox, which Subaru touts as having adaptive shift control that can quickly respond to perform rev-matching downshifts under braking, maintain the ideal ratio through corners, and respond faster on corner exit. The transmission comes with additional driver safety aids, adaptive cruise control, auto vehicle hold, paddle shifters, and an electronic parking brake. WRX embraces the Subaru Global Platform. The automaker also highlights that its Subaru Global Platform, SGP, will unpin the new WRX. Subaru claims the platform's increased chassis stiffness will offer an improved driving experience and upgraded handling. The unibody SGP first came to use with the 2016 Impreza and now forms that basis for all the brand's vehicles. For the 2022 WRX, the platform delivers a 14% increase in front lateral rigidity, a 28% improvement in overall torsional rigidity, and 75% greater suspension mounting point rigidity. The new 2022 Subaru WRX is more expensive than before, especially the new range-topping GT trim level that crests $40,000. The WRX's base price rises $1,680 to $30,100, and the new model will also offer $32,600 premium and $36,990 limited trim levels in addition to the new $42,890 WRX GT that is unfortunately only offered with the optional CVT automatic. #Save the manuals enthusiasts shouldn't worry too much, though, because a 6-speed manual transmission is still standard on all other trim levels, with the CVT available as an $1,850 to $2,250 option on the base, premium, and limited. All-wheel drive and a 271 horsepower turbocharged 2.4-liter flat 4 are standard across the board. Certain performance options are reserved for the automatic-only GT, including adaptive dampers and larger 18-inch wheels. 17 inches are standard on other models. The GT also has desirable Recaro front seats and additional drive modes compared with the base cars. Subaru previously told us that automatic transmission WRX models were affected by supply chain issues, so you may have better luck finding a car with a clutch pedal as they start arriving at dealerships. Subaru is now taking reservations on its website but hasn't said exactly when deliveries will start. The base model comes standard with 17-inch alloy wheels, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and dual 7-inch screens for infotainment and climate control. Unlike last year, the base model is available with the CVT, which Subaru calls the Subaru Performance Transmission. Adding it also adds eyesight, which includes automatic emergency braking and adaptive cruise control with lane centering. The WRX Premium features 18-inch alloy wheels, LED fog lights, a color-matched rear spoiler and automatic headlights on the outside. Inside it gets proximity locking with push-button starting, dual-zone automatic climate control, heated seats, heated mirrors, wiper de-icers and an 11.6-inch infotainment screen. The CVT version adds a transmission oil cooler on top of the base CVT model. Moving up to the Limited, it features turn signal mirrors and curve adaptive headlights for the exterior. Interior upgrades include ultrasuede upholstery, a 10-way power driver's seat, 11-speaker Harman Kardon sound system and sunroof. Blind spot monitoring and navigation are also included, and the CVT model includes reverse automatic emergency braking. The top rung trim is the GT, and features it adds on top of the previous ones are adaptive shocks and customizable drive modes. It also gets Recaro front seats and unique wheels. But this trim is only available with the CVT.